First, drive your vehicle onto the lift. Next, power on the lift system using the included key. Press the up button and continue to hold as the lift rises. Once the lift reaches the desired height, ensure that the locking mechanism has passed an available lock and press the lock button. Press and hold until the lift descends onto the nearest available lock and stops moving. Congratulations, your vehicle is now stored successfully. To bring the vehicle down, you first need to raise the lift slightly to clear the lock. Press the up button for a few seconds and watch as the lock disengages. Once clear of the lock, press and hold the down button. You will see the locks retract and stay disengaged as the lift comes down. Once the lift passes the last lock, release the down button and press and hold the lock button. This will allow the lift to descend all the way to the ground without damaging the locking mechanisms. Continue to hold the lock button until the lift settles gently onto the ground. Congratulations! You have successfully lowered the vehicle and it is now ready to drive off of the lift.